In this video, we are going to discuss about requirements analysis and specification. Goal of the requirements analysis and specification. The goal of the requirement analysis and specification is to clearly understand the customer requirements and to systematically organize the requirements into a document called the Software Requirement Specification, shortly called as SRS document. Next one is System Analyst. The engineer who gathers and analyzes the customer requirements and then write the requirement specification document are known as System Analyst. The System Analyst collect data pertaining to the product to be developed and analyze the collected data to conceptualize what exactly needs to be done. Main activities carried out during requirements analysis and specification phase. Requirements gathering and analysis, requirements specification. Thank you.